Welcome to our channel, Aathreya Education. Myself, Aathreya. Today we will be seeing about paragraph tag. Paragraph tag. P tag in HTML is used to create paragraphs. A paragraph starts with a new line. BR tag is used to break the line. And the HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line. In P tag, we use align attribute to align the text to left, which is the default alignment, center and right. Now let me open Visual Studio Code. Click on File and New File to create a new file. Let's save the file. Let me save it on desktop and give it the name as paragraph.html and save it. Now let's start typing our code. Give the tag HTML and give the tag body. In the body tag, give the tag P and give this is paragraph 1. Now let's take another P tag and let us type this is paragraph 2. Now let's take one more P tag and give this is paragraph 3. Now save the file and right click on the code and say open in default browser. And here we can see this is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 2 and this is paragraph 3. And the line is getting breaked in the 3 paragraphs. Now I want to break the line in between. So let's give the tag BR. Now open the browser and refresh the page. And here we can see this is and the line breaks paragraph 1. Now I want to give a horizontal line. So let's give the tag HR. And open the browser and refresh the page. And here we can see a line between paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Now let's see about alignments of paragraphs. While giving the tag P, give the attribute align equal to left, which is the default alignment. In the second one, let's give another attribute as align equal to center, which will give the alignment center of the paragraph to center. In the paragraph 3, give the align equal to right, which will give the alignment for paragraph 3 at the right side. Now open the browser and refresh the page. And here we can see this is paragraph 1 at the left side, this is paragraph 2 at the center, and this is paragraph 3 at the right side. That's all in this video. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.